How to pay for Apollo Group TV with Shakepay. I'm going to tell you how to pay your Apollo Group TV using Shakepay. First, ensure you have a Shakepay account set up and funded with Bitcoin. If you're in Canada, you can fund your Shakepay account via Interact e-Transfer. Next, log into your Apollo Group TV account and select the subscription plan you wish to purchase. During the checkout process, choose Bitcoin as your payment method. Apollo will provide you with a Bitcoin wallet address and the exact amount to send. Open the Shakepay app, tap on Bitcoin, and then select Send. Paste the wallet address provided by Apollo into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of Bitcoin required for your subscription. Choose your preferred transaction speed, fast for quicker processing, or normal for standard processing times. Confirm the transaction details and complete the send. After sending, Apollo will process your payment and activate your subscription. If you encounter any issues, Apollo recommends using the live chat feature on their website for further assistance.